Okay, May 21st, 2016. I have returned to this gully 2 years later, and I am following what I originally saw were shells in the bottom of the gully, and also I'm noticing, I don't know if you can see, that's charcoal in the layers here. Anyways, I'm going up this canyon that was hydraulically eroded like in the past 40 years. They built development upstream of this. Probably it was a rounded canyon bottom, valley bottom, and it's been hydraulically excavated. So it's a little different than it was 20 years ago, or excuse me, 2 years ago. But you can see it's just straight down. It's been eroded, and anyways, it's a little different than it was, but there's some still evidence here. Okay, here we go. Down here, there's a layer down at the bottom that's I saw 2 years ago. It's changed a little bit, but as you can see, this layer, it goes way back in there. This layer, and it keeps going. It's this old shell midden. Excuse me. And there's an old shell midden here. And I did see mammal bones last time. This time not so much. I'm finding some kind of crude tools in this shell midden, and here's some charcoal. You can see charcoal there. You get quite a bit of it in here. So this layer here is actually bigger than when I came 2 years ago. It's just eroding. It just goes back about 20 feet down from the surface. So, you know, I'm guessing a ½ inch to an inch of sediment a year in this valley floor. Here's the other side of the canyon, the layer. You can see it down there. And then here's some more charcoal. If you can see that charcoal right there. So it's inhabited. I'm guessing, let's see, 20 feet. So, you know, 200 to, you know, maybe 500 years ago, which would make this, or 525 would be pre-Columbian. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of soil, you know, over 20 feet above it. There was in the next canyon over, there was a layer of shells kind of midway up. You can see. I'll get that posted. But this one is the most interesting, just because of the fact that it's so deep. It's over 20 feet deep. So it could be pre-Columbian. It's hard to say. You could just see it goes on and on. With the charcoal and these kind of crude tools, you see that were chipped. There was one over here. They were really working on this one. This one here, you know, they were chipping away at this thing, trying to get some small pieces out of it. It's just, so anyways, here we are, 2 years later.